Did you know that all 4 divine books were revealed by Allah in the month of Ramadan? Yes, Ramadan is not just about fasting. It's the month of guidance. Let's talk about these 4 heavenly books. 1. The Torah, given to Prophet Musa on the 6th of Ramadan. 2. The Psalms, Zabur, revealed to Prophet Dawood on the 12th of Ramadan. 3. The Gospel, Injil, sent to Prophet Isa on the 18th of Ramadan. And the greatest of all, the Holy Quran, revealed to Prophet Muhammad on the 23rd of Ramadan, the night of Qadr. Imam Jafar al-Sadiq confirms these dates in Kitab al-Kafi, volume 9, page 157. So, Ramadan is the month of divine guidance for all humanity. Let's honor this month by connecting with the Quran, the final and complete guidance for us all.